Welcome back to Winner's Capsule. Today we'll continue with questions related to physiology. First one, which of the following body secretions is maximum? A. Salivary, B. Gastric, C. Sweat, and D. Lacrimal. Answer is option B. Gastric. So gastric secretion is maximum in our body. Moving to second question. Brush border is seen in A. Bowman's capsule, B. Proximal convoluted tubule, C. Distal convoluted tubule, and D. Loop of Henle. Answer is option B. Proximal convoluted tubule. So brush border is seen in proximal convoluted tubule, whereas hairpin bend is seen in loop of Henle. We can see hairpin bend in loop of Henle and brush border in proximal convoluted tubule. Third one, calcium ions triggers muscle contraction by binding to A. Actin, B. Myosin, C. Troponin, and D. Tropomyosin. Answer is option C. Troponin. Muscle contraction, it is initiated when these calcium ions bind with troponin. So calcium ions are known as coupling agents or linking agents between the excitation and contraction of muscle. So this calcium ions triggers muscle contraction by binding to troponin. Fourth one, which of the following is done for a patient on coumarin or warfarin therapy? A. Partial thromboplastin time, B. Prothrombin time, C. Bleeding time, and D. Capillary fragility test. Answer is option B. Prothrombin time. Warfarin and dicumarol, this inhibit the action of vitamin K. Vitamin K, it is essential for the formation of factors 2, 7, 9 and 10. So in vitamin K deficiency and in warfarin therapy, prothrombin time is prolonged. Fifth one, function of ADH is A. Water reabsorption, B. Water excretion, C. Sodium absorption, and D. Potassium secretion. Answer is option A. Water reabsorption. The main function of a kidney is reabsorption of water from the distal convoluted tubule and collecting duct of kidney. ADH is antidiuretic hormone. This deficiency of antidiuretic hormone results in loss of large amount of water through urine. This condition is known as diabetes insipidus. So the main function of antidiuretic hormone or ADH is water reabsorption. Sixth one, bile acids are derived from A. Bile salt, B. Bile pigment, C. A and B, D. Cholesterol. Answer is option D. Cholesterol. Steroid hormones, that is corticosteroids and sex hormone, then vitamin D and bile salts, these are derived from cholesterol. So bile acids or bile salts are derived from cholesterol. Seventh one, the most common form of hypoxia. A. Hypoxic, B. Stagnant, C. Anemic, and D. Histotoxic. Answer is option A. Hypoxic. Eighth one, a decrease in the urine output is called A. Dysuria, B. Nocturia, C. Oliguria, and D. Polyuria. Answer is option C. Oliguria. Decrease in urine output is called as oliguria. Increase in urine output is known as polyuria. Stoppage of urine formation, it is known as anuria. Proteins in urine is known as proteinuria. Blood in urine or RBC in urine is known as hematuria. Then excess accumulation of urea and creatine is known as uremia. Excess glucose in urine is called as glucosuria. So decrease in urine output is known as oliguria. Ninth one, the only fixed cell of the connective tissue. A. Histiocyte, B. Lymphocyte, C. Neutrophils, and D. Mast cells. Answer is option A. Histiocyte. 10th one, the receptors for parathyroid hormone are present in A. Osteoblast, B. Osteoclast, C. Periosteum, and D. Cartilage. Answer is option A. Osteoblast. In bone, we can see three types of cells, that is osteoblast, osteocytes and osteoclast. Osteoblast expresses receptors for various hormones such as parathyroid hormone, then vitamin D3, estrogen, then glucocorticoids. So the receptors for parathyroid hormone are present in osteoblast. 11th one, fertilized ovum usually gets attached to the uterus wall in A 14 days, B 28 days, C 8 week and D 1 week. Answer is option D, 1 week. It takes almost about 1 week for implantation of a fertilized ovum to the endometrial lining of the uterus. So fertilized ovum usually gets attached to the uterus wall in 1 week. 12th one, the best screening test for hemophilia is A BT, B PT, C PTT and D CRT. BT is nothing but bleeding time, PT is prothrombin time, PTT is partial thromboplastin time and CRT is clot retraction time. Answer is option C, PTT. PTT, that is partial thromboplastin time, is used to assess the integrity of the intrinsic pathway of blood coagulation. As hemophilia is caused by factor number 8 or 9, which are the factors of intrinsic pathway. So, best screening test for hemophilia is partial thromboplastin time. Prothrombin time, that is PT, it is ideal to assess the integrity of extrinsic pathway of blood coagulation. Whereas intrinsic pathway is best assessed using partial thromboplastin time. That is the best screening test for hemophilia. 13th one, in CNS, the myelination is carried out by A. Schwann cells, B. astrocytes, C. oligodendrocytes and D. microglia. Answer is option C, oligodendrocytes. Schwann cells which are present in neurilemma, these are responsible for myelin sheath formation. But in case of central nervous system, neurilemma is absent and myelination is carried out by the oligodendrocytes. So, in CNS, the myelination is carried out by oligodendrocytes. Astrocytes are nothing but blood-brain barrier. Microglia are macrophages of central nervous system. So, myelination in CNS is carried out by oligodendrocytes. 14th one, tendon or ligament is attached to a bone through A. Tom's fibers, B. interstitial fibers, C. Sharpie's fibers and D. Harvesian fibers. Answer is option C, Sharpie's fibers. 15th one, the kidney secrete all of the following hormones except A. renin, B. erythropoietin, C. vasopressin and D. 1,2,5-dihydroxycholecalciferol. Answer is option C, vasopressin. ADH or vasopressin is secreted in the supraoptic nucleus of hypothalamus and this is released from the posterior pituitary. So kidney secrete hormone like renin, erythropoietin, 1,2,5-dihydroxycholecalcifer. This vasopressin is secreted by the hypothalamus. So thank you for watching this video. Please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.